All right. Who's your favorite one? Show them to me. I'm taking a picture of you. Show me who your favorite man is.
Ding.
What's his name?
Ding.
Ding?
Ding.
Oh, Thing. Okay. Wesley, who's your favorite? Who you got? Show me. Hold them up so I can see them.
Show Papa.
Hold them up. Let me see what you got.
What does your shirt say? Boys, can you show Papa your shirt?
Okay, stand over by Clark and show me your man.
Gonna put Clark's shoe on.
Getting a 3-year-old, almost 3-year-old, and a 17-month-old to stand there beside each other is proving to be difficult. So I can get a picture of their shirts. So that's why I transitioned to video.
Sigourney Weaver and Robert De Niro star in Red Lights. It's available now the same time it comes out on DVD. Just go to the movie section, choose Indies and Foreign, and select all movies. One of New York City's most glamorous apartment buildings hides a deep, dark secret. See what lies inside.
Hey, who's ready for a nap?
At this address,
He's looking for spicy. Because he knows a nap means gets a pacifier, right? Clark, you're doing a good job. He stood there first for the picture.
Still standing there.
Okay, now you can move.